Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are making a chickpea quinoa kale salad, packed full of protein. You will need 3 products from our store. First, you'll need the blood orange Agrumato olive oil. You will also need the Milanese Gremolata infused olive oil, as well as our A-Premium White Balsamic Vinegar. All 3 of these products are just going to add so much amazing flavor to this salad. As you can see, we've already pre-cut some of the ingredients for this salad. We have oranges that we've cut into medallions. We also have some kale that we've chopped up. We've pre-cooked some quinoa. This salad is actually vegan. You can add goat cheese if you want to this, but it is already full of fruit, veggies, grains. You can have this as a meal or as a side, whatever you choose, but let's get to making it. So as you can see, we already have our quinoa in the bowl. You can do really any grain you want. You could also do wild rice if you wanted to, or long grain rice. First thing we're going to add to our quinoa is our kale. So like I said, we pre-chopped this all up. And don't throw out your kale stems. Also, if you want to check it out on our website, we actually have a kale stem pesto. So go check that out. Next thing we're going to add to this is our chickpeas. You can pre-soak your chickpeas if you want to, or you can use the canned chickpeas. Just make sure you rinse them really good in cold water. Next thing we're going to add to this is 1/4 cup of sliced onion, or more or less, depending on how much you like red onion. It's really all up to you. That jumper. Next thing we're going to add is our orange slices. So really you can just lay them all in there. I'll be tossing this all anyways, so if everything is a little bit everywhere, that's okay. We also have some cranberries, dried cranberries, and pumpkin seeds, so you can just toss those in there. We also have some dried basil. We're just going to shake that in. You will need a clove of minced garlic, so we do have our minced garlic here. Try to get it all spread out as much as possible. You will need a 1/4 cup of blood orange olive oil. Pour all that in there. You want to keep your 1/4 cup because we're also pouring in the same amount of the Milanese Gremolata olive oil. One of my favorite oils in the store, just because it has really nice flavors of garlic, parsley, lemon, and a hint of mint. As for the vinegar, you will need 2 tablespoons of that. Just give everything a really nice zing. You will also need some salt and pepper to taste. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As for pepper, we're going to do 6 turns of that. And now it's time to mix it up. This salad actually smells amazing. It might sound weird to say that a salad smells amazing, but it does. Of course, have our little taste. Go for a smaller piece of orange. Bigger piece of orange than I was hoping for this, but oh. That fresh burst of citrus, you get the rest of the blood orange olive oil in there. The Milanese just adds so much more to it. And you get that beautiful zing from the A-Premium. This is a delicious, like I said, protein-packed salad. You guys are gonna love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, it's Derek. I was a little far.
This is maximum record.
Hey guys, it's Derek. Still too far. Your stomach growling?